Most artists think mastering is some kind of dark magic. Like you need a $4,000 compressor, a perfectly treated room, and a guy named Andre with the golden ears. But today, I'm going to show you how to master your song online instantly and for free. No plugins, no paid apps, no engineering invoices, just clean, loud, industry-ready masters you can upload directly to Spotify. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what mastering does, how to avoid the 5 mistakes that ruin beginner masters, and how to get a fast, free master that you can trust. This is SONAR Tech Time. Let's get into it. Why isn't your song release ready? Here's the truth. Your mix might be good, but if it's not mastered, you're losing. Because people on Spotify don't listen with studio headphones. They listen in cars, on AirPods, on cheap Bluetooth speakers, on TikTok, and with noise in the background. Without mastering, your song sounds quiet, flat, and thin compared to everything else on the playlist. And the moment they skip, you already lost. Most artists think mastering is optional. That's like thinking deodorant is optional, which is technically true, but socially unacceptable. You want your track to punch, to feel intentional, to compete with artists who have full teams behind them. And normally, that costs money, but not today. Why most online mastering tools suck. Before I show you how to do this properly, here's why most online mastering apps fail. Number 1, they overcompress everything. Your mix ends up sounding like a brick. Number 2, they guess your genre, and usually they guess wrong. Number 3, they boost the wrong frequencies. Your low end turns into mud soup. Number 4, they don't level match for Spotify, so your track gets turned down by -8 or -14 loves. Number 5, they make every song sound the same. No individuality, no emotion. A lot of mastering tools aren't really free. They give you a watermark preview or they ruin your audio until you pay. So I'm going to show you a reliable way to master, the settings you should always use, how to avoid ruining your mix, and how SONAR gives you mastering credits for free that follow industry standards. Let's go. What mastering actually is. Mastering is not mixing. Let's get that out of the way. Mixing is fixing the individual ingredients, vocals, drums, bass, and reverb. Mastering, well, that is fixing the final dish, the overall flavor. The goal of mastering is simple. Make it louder, make it clearer, make it cleaner, make it consistent with industry loudness, and make it feel finished. Think of it like putting a filter on a photo. The photo is already done. You're just enhancing it. A great master should sound good on any device, not clip, not distort, not lose dynamics, and not get crushed by Spotify's loudness penalties. Now let's actually master your track. We're going to use 2 methods. Number 1, manual free mastering. Number 2, AI free mastering. Method A, manual free mastering, beginner friendly. Step 1, upload your mix to BandLab. Yes, BandLab. It's free, it's simple, and the mastering engine is surprisingly solid. Step 2, choose the preset CD quality or Fire. Avoid the other ones, they crash dynamics. Step 3, compare before and after at matched loudness. If you don't level match, you fool yourself into thinking louder is better, and it's not. Step 4, export the WAV. Boom, free master. Method B, AI mastering with SONAR. The fastest way to get a professional master is inside SONAR. Why? Because it follows Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube loudness standards, so it doesn't get turned down. Here's the simple steps. 1. Go to sonar.africa. 2. Click on mastering. 3. Upload your mix. 4. Choose a preset. 5. Click master. In less than 20 seconds, your lows tighten up, your vocals pop, your highs stop sounding dull, and your song hits harder. This is the closest thing to studio mastering that you'll get for free. The 5 mastering mistakes that you should avoid. Don't ruin your mix at the finish line. Avoid these. Number 1, uploading a song that's already clipping. If your mix is clipping, AI mastering will make it worse. Number 2, overusing the bus compressor before mastering. Let the AI do the heavy lifting. Number 3, mixing too loud. Leave headroom. A -6 decibel peak is perfect. Number 4, using MP3 instead of WAV. AI can't fix the crushed file. Number 5, ignoring loudness standards. Spotify will adjust your track. If you master too loud, it sounds flat. Avoid these and your master becomes 10 times better. The mastering checklist. Use this every time. Export WAV. Peak at -6 decibels. No limiting on your mix bus. No clipping. Use SONAR or BandLab for mastering. Compare on AirPods, car speakers, phone speakers. Never trust your studio monitors alone. In closing, mastering used to be expensive, complicated and slow. Now you can use it from your phone for free and get results that compete with major artists. If you want more breakdowns like this, subscribe. And if you want free mastering credits, hit the link in the description. Go to sonar.africa and start now. This is Sonar Tech Time. See you in the next one.